Dear students, good afternoon. Now we are going to learn how to form the differential equations. As you know that I had explained about the differential equation, the formation of differential equations. Let us start today's lecture on that. Let us see this question. Y is equal to a into e power x plus b. A and b are arbitrary constants. Now we have to find the differential equation of this family of the curve. So what we are doing here is, now we are finding the differential equation of the family of curve. After this we are going to learn differential equations will be given, you have to find the family of curves, reverse process. So that we are going to learn today. So let us solve first this problem, how to solve this one. So you want to find the solution of differential equation. Let us take the given curve, family of the curve. Y is equal to a into e to the power of x. Can I write this one as e power b? Correct? A into e to the power of x into e power b. Can I write like this? So this looks like, you know that this is a is a constant and e power b also constant. Correct? What do you say here? A is a constant and e power b also constant. So can I make this two constant as a one constant? Yes, I can make it. So y is equal to, I can make this is a constant, so k into e power x. Now you can do the differentiation of this function. So I get as dy by dx is equal to, I get as e power x. E power x, the differentiation is e power x, as you know that. And k will, as it is, will be like this. K will be as it is. And you know, this is the function I had made into this format. And this is, we have made it this format. And we have one arbitrary constant now. Before it was the two arbitrary constants. But we have made into one arbitrary constant. So now you know that you have one arbitrary constant, so you have to differentiate single time. So dy by dx is equal to k into e power x. You can look at from the first equation. So the k into e power x value is y. So I can replace this one k, because my target is remove the arbitrary constant k here. So I am removing this, the whole thing I can write as y. Now this is from the differential equations. So dy by dx is equal to y. This is the required answer for this question. And the degree order will be how much? Order of the differential equation is 1 and the degree of the differential equation is 1. This is the way to deal the problem. Let us move to the next question, dear students. Now, dear students, we are talking about the all problems. I am going to discuss all the problems. Let us discuss another problem here. Find the differential equation of the family of curve y square is equal to 4ax. As you know that why I am explaining this means to explain one JEE question. That is what? Y square is equal to 4ax. This is called as a parabola. What we call this is parabola. This is a parabola equation, dear students. So here, how many arbitrary constants are there? This is the a is the arbitrary constant. Okay, this is the arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant OC you write, that's correct. Not AC, OC. OC is the arbitrary constant. So you have one arbitrary constant, so differentiate this one, I get as 2y. Differentiation of y square is 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. I can keep same as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. That's what I did it. So one time differentiation I did, but here still this 4a is there. Means we have to replace this 4a. Just look at here. This is what you have. 4a can be written as y square by x from this equation. So replace y square. So 2y dy by dx is equal to, I can write 4a place as y square by x. Take here 1y cancel out. So what I am going to get here, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, send this to this side, so y by 2x. This is the required differential equation. This is the required differential equation. According to the options we will see this and we will do it. So forming the differential equation by giving the family of a curve is the most easiest part of the differential equation here. So let us move on to the next question. So dear students, let us see the next question we are going to learn here. So the degree and order of a differential equation is asking that to find the degree and order of the differential equation the degree and order of the differential equation, the degree and order of the differential equation of the family, the degree and order of the differential equation of the family of all parabolas whose axis is x are respectively. That is what they are asking. So parabola equation is said, you know, the parabola will be like this. This is the parabola shape. Maybe this will be here because the center is not fixed here. So there is said here it will be on x-axis or somewhere. Here. You may get anywhere. You may get here also. You may get anywhere. Okay, you may get here. So you may get anything, any shape like here. The width is not fixed yet. So what is saying here, the degree and order of the differential equation of the family of all parabolas whose axis is x-axis are respectively. Whose axis means parabola can be like this also. Parabolas can be like this. Then this axis is y-axis. This axis is y-axis. But is mentioned in the question that whose axis is x-axis. So I have to take this parabola, not this parabola. So I have to take this parabola, correct? Now what you have to understand here is this will be the center, and the center is, I can take as vertex we call, not center, vertex. So what this is I can take b comma 0 or anything. I can take the vertex of the parabola. Vertex as the parabola is origin or may not be origin. So b comma 0 we take here the degree and order of the differential equation family of all parabolas whose axis is x-axis, are respectively set. And this, the length of this one, this is called as latus rectum. The length of the latus rectum. The length of the latus rectum L is equal to 4a. Length of the latus rectum you will learn in the conic section. So the parabola, equation of the parabola, just now previous question I explained, y square is equal to 4a, x means the axis. So the vertex of the parabola, if I am taking, this is the vertex of the parabola vertex is this. So this I can take as x minus b, because vertex on the parabola and this point is b comma 0. If I take, then the equation of the parabola is this. Okay. So y square equal to 4ax minus b. This is what is asking here. The degree and order of the differential equation of this parabola whose the equation of the family of all parabolas whose axis is x-axis they asked. So it may be here, it may be here, it may be somewhere, it is goes on. So generally we are taking this is b comma 0 is the vertex. So here now we got y square is equal to 4ax minus b. So you have 4a, the b 4a is there, so you have to differentiate one time. Okay, first of all 4ab, so a and b are the two arbitrary constants here, so you have to do differentiate double time, correct? Because a and b are arbitrary constants. This b is the arbitrary constant. This b can be 0, this b can be 2, this b can be 3, this b can be anything. This b can be minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, anything. That's why we mentioned b comma 0 is the vertex. It means this b can be minus 2, minus 3, 0, 3, 4, number, and anything this b. B is all real numbers on the x-axis. So y square is equal to 4ax minus b is the parabola. It means b is the arbitrary constant. What is the difference of a constant and arbitrary constant? Arbitrary constant meaning is the constant always keep changing. The constant always keep changing, that is called arbitrary constant. Like here, if I say that constant k is equal to 5, that is a fixed constant. There is no change in that. But if I say a constant b, if it is arbitrary constant, that means the constant can be 0, that constant can be 1, that constant can be 2, that constant can be anything. That is arbitrary constant. That you have to see here. A and b are two arbitrary constant. Here this length also, the lattice length of rectum, the lattice length of the rectum, it keep increasing or decreasing. It depends on the curve of the parabola. Correct. So it is, you have the two times, so you have to differentiate two times. Let us differentiate the first one time. Differentiate with respect to x. So what I get here, 2y dy by dx is equal to, I am going to get as 4a, and x differentiation is 1. 4ax. You can take the differentiation of this one, very simple. So Differentiation of y square is how much? Differentiation of y square is 2y dy by dx. What is the differentiation of 4ax? That is 4a, because you know this differentiation is 1 and this will be 0. That's it. So what I can write here, dy by dx is equal to, what can I write dy by dx now? So very simple, you can write it now. What is I can write here? 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a I got. What is 4a value? So 4a I got. Here we can replace 4a. You can do differentiation twice. Yeah. So what we do here? 4a. Can I replace 4a? If I replace 4a, then that is arbitrary constant is replaced. Then that will be easiest one. You can do like that. So that is, it depends on you what you want to do it. Actually, we have to still need to do second time differentiation, because two arbitrary constants. So two arbitrary constants means I did 2y dy by dx is equal to, this is x differentiation is 1. You got this one, right? Now actually you have to do second time differentiation. Then only you have to replace 4a. Reason is what? First of all you have to differentiate, then you have to, otherwise you can replace it, but this will become 4a can be written as 4a square y square by x minus a. The differentiation will become more difficult. It's a constant to this side, so doing differentiation will be more easy. Okay, directly you can do differentiation second time, that will be more easy than replacing 4a. 4a can replace when, if it is easiest one, when it is very easy, then only you can. So now differentiate again, differentiate again with respect to x. Okay, again double time differentiation. So 2 is here. This is u into v formula. So what is the uv formula? U dash means v differentiation, that is v dash, and we can write as dy by dx is nothing but v dash plus, and v dash u plus, see here this is y is there, y differentiation is y dash, and I kept dy by dx as same. So if you are confusing this y dash is dy by dx, you can write, this is the meaning is what, 2y y dash is equal to 4a. The meaning of this is, so 2 I kept, so y differentiation is y dash and y dash I kept, plus, now what here, u dash v dash u. So v I will keep same, means y dash I will keep same. Are you getting it? I'll keep the y same. Now I keep the y same. And y dash I do differentiation, y double dash. Are you getting here? Y double dash. So here uv differentiation is u dash v plus v dash u. So this is what we have done. So u is y dash, and we kept dy by dx as it is, plus now v dash means dy by dx, that is double differentiation, and we are keeping the u as same. U is y here. So u dash v dash u. So if you are confusing more, you do one thing, y double dash y, you can write like simple, they both are same. U dash v plus v dash u, both are same. This is equal to differentiation of 4 is 0, because it's a constant, that is 0. So now you got this format understood here. Now it's, so 2 send that side divide, so y dash square is equal to y double dash is equal to 0. Now we have sent this one, you got the differential equation. Now you have to find order and degree. This is nothing but dy by dx whole square plus y into dy by d square y by dx square to the power of 1 is equal to 0. So tell me what is the order of the order is what? Order is equal to 2. And what is the degree here? Degree is equal to 1. And what is asking in the question? Is asking that degree and order. First degree, next order. So 1, 2. C is the right answer. Don't see 2, 1.